How to make payments for your Walmart Rewards card. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can make payments for Walmart Rewards card. Well, you can make payments on your Walmart Rewards card in several ways, including online, by phone, by mail, or in person. If you want to do it online, you can log into your Capital One account. So head into capitalone.com and log into your account, or you can use the Capital One mobile app to make the payment for your Walmart Rewards card. You can also do it by phone. You can request a pre-authorized payment form by mail as well. If you want to do it by mail, send a check or money order made out to Walmart Rewards Mastercard to Walmart Rewards Mastercard, PO Box 187, Orangeville, ONL9W2Z6. If you want to do it in person, you want to visit a Walmart store and pay at the customer service desk or any sales register. You can also visit your bank or financial institutions. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.